Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on object-oriented software engineering. In the unit Software Process and Agile Development, we have the topic to be discussed for this video is Introduction to Software Engineering. These are the overview for this unit. Let's discuss on the Introduction to Software Engineering. Software plays a critical role in modern society. It is used in banking, healthcare sectors, transportation, education, and defense. Software engineering provides a systematic approach to build reliable software. What is software? It is a collection of programs, data, documentation. It enables hardware to perform useful tasks. It evolves continuously after deployment. So software is a collection of programs, data, documentation. It enables hardware after useful task. Let's define software engineering. Software engineering is the application of engineering principles to the design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance of software systems. Software engineering cycle includes system specification, which defines system requirements and goals, software development, which build, test software components, deployment, release the software, management, oversee system and resources, maintenance, update and fix issues. Why software engineering is needed? Let's empathize. Due to increasing size and complexity of software, cost and schedule overruns, poor quality and reliability, frequent failures in large systems, we need a software engineering process. Software crisis. Problems identified are late delivery, budget overruns, low quality software, low quality maintenance, unsatisfied users. The solution is software engineering practices. Key aspects of software engineering are systematic approach, engineering principles, teamwork, quality assurance, lifecycle management, systematic approach. Well-defined steps, planning before implementation, avoiding ad hoc development, ensuring predictability and control. Engineering principles applied, requirement analysis, design modeling, verification and validation, documentation and standards, documentation improvement, continuous improvement. So these are the phases involved. And then we have in the life cycle design phase, requirement analysis, implementation, deployment, maintenance, testing. So teamwork in software engineering, it should be effective for communication. It should connect all the roles. Developers who build the software, designers who design the user experience, project managers, designers, and developers. Quality assurance in software engineering. It has to ensure reliability and performance, security, scalability, usability. It has to prevent defects. Reliability and efficiency. Software should perform correctly under all conditions. It has to use CPU, memory, and network efficiently. Critical for real-time and safety systems. Maintainability and usability. Easy to understand and modify, adaptable to changing requirements, user-friendly interfaces reduce training cost, cost effectiveness and reusability. Software must be delivered within budget, reusable components reduce development time, improves productivity and consistency. The challenges in software engineering are system complexity, changing user requirements, tight deadlines, rapid technological change, communication gaps. So this is the mind map for the introduction to software engineering. So what is software engineering? Definition and importance. Software development lifecycle, software methodologies, tools and technologies, then key principles. Let's discuss a few space. What are the three primary components that define software in the context of software engineering? Programs, data, and documentation. The software crisis of the late 1960s was primarily characterized by which of the following sets of problems? Budget overruns, late delivery, and low quality software. Which aspect of software engineering focuses on preventing defects early in the cycle rather than fixing them at the end? Quality assurance. These are the references. Let's discuss another video in the upcoming lectures. Thank you.